Will Bengal's Banglar Buddy scheme fill the housing void amid center-state tussle? Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, has now hit the ground running with the Banglar Buddy scheme to provide financial assistance to rural households to construct houses instead of depriving people from houses, as the BJP-led central government stopped funds to PMAY and made more allegations of corruption. What is the Banglar Buddy scheme? Objective: to help families in rural Bengal build Pakka houses. One-time financial support. Every household will be granted 1.20 lakh rupees, which will be disbursed in 2 installments of 60,000 rupees each. Beneficiaries: a total of 2.8 million families benefit. Funds have already been released to 1.2 million households. The remaining 1.6 million families will receive assistance in 2 phases by early 2026. Why did the state launch Banglar Buddy? Previously, PMAY, the center used to bear 60% of total funds, while the state bore 40%. However, after allegations of corruption, nepotism and irregularities surfaced in 2022, the union government halted PMAY funds for West Bengal. In response, the state government stepped up to launch Banglar Buddy using its own resources. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said, "For 3 years, the centre sent 69 teams and we provided all answers, yet funds were not released, people were deprived, so we have taken up this responsibility." Corruption and protests. Are all deserving families benefiting? The preparations of the beneficiary list has not been without challenges. Protests broke out in districts like Purulia, West Burdwan, Hooghly, South 24 Parganas and Birbhum. Villagers accused local officials of dropping deserving families to favor individuals linked to ruling party leaders. To address these concerns, re-verification order. The Chief Minister ordered a massive resurvey involving 27,000 teams. Survey outcome: the team surveyed 3.5 million families and finalized a list of 2.8 million beneficiaries. Political undertones ahead of elections. In response, the TMC has accused the centre of depriving West Bengal by stopping crucial funds. Will Banglar Buddy deliver this welfare funding? The Banglar Buddy scheme highlights the growing center-state tussle over welfare funding and political accountability. While the initiative promises to fulfill rural housing needs, the success of the program hinges on transparent implementation and ensuring that deserving families are not left out. Will Banglar Buddy successfully bridge the housing gap and regain trust against Bengal's rural population, or will allegations of favoritism continue to overshadow its execution?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.